Hi, my name is Rick Case. I am the CEO and founder of Case Factor and the founder and developer of the Napkin2Shelf program here on school, where we help people take their ideas from a napkin sketch to the retail shelves and beyond. A little bit about myself. I'm a 25-year consumer products veteran. I'm a three-time founder. I've launched hundreds of products into the US market as well as globally. I've been blessed to have made hundreds of physical products that have gone to market in some of the world's largest retailers. Best Buy, Target, Walmart, Costco, Sam's Club, Staples, Verizon, T-Mobile. It's a who's who of retailers, to name a few here in the US. I've also built out international distribution networks for multiple brands, including my own. Through all of this, I've learned the importance of following a sequenced process and critical decisions that must be made along the way. So Napkin2Shelf takes you from idea to market without costly mistakes. It's not just a product development program. It's a decision system that's designed to prevent expensive mistakes before they happen. It helps founders decide what to do, when to do it, and when not to proceed. Product development is part of the system, but decision quality is really the primary focus of the program. This program exists because most failures don't come from bad ideas. They come from bad decisions that were made at the wrong time. I've worked with dozens of entrepreneurs and operators, and I've seen products fail not because they couldn't work, but because decisions were made out of order or money was spent too early. Validation was skipped and misunderstood, and momentum replaced judgment. Napkin2Shelf is built around the patterns that I've seen repeatedly in the real world. So what makes Napkin2Shelf different from other programs? This is not a course that you consume. It's not about speed, and it's not about hype. It doesn't assume that every single idea should be built. Instead, every pillar in the program has explicit decision gates. Every major spend is preceded by evidence. Progress does not automatically mean permission, and stopping early is actually considered a successful outcome. The goal isn't to build faster. The goal is to avoid building the wrong thing expensively. So here's how the system is structured. Napkin2Shelf is organized into 7 pillars. Each pillar represents a different decision phase, not just a set of tasks or lessons. Early pillars focus on reversible decisions. Later pillars govern irreversible commitments. And as you move through the system, optionality narrows, consequences increase, decisions become more deliberate, and that progression is definitely intentional. Napkin2Shelf optimizes for decision clarity over confidence, for evidence over enthusiasm, for order of operations over speed, for capital preservation over momentum. If a product should move forward, this system helps you do it with eyes wide open. If a product should be stopped, it helps you stop before the losses compound. So who is this program for, and who is it not for? Well, it's for founders who want to build physical products responsibly, that are willing to slow down at the right moments, that care more about being correct than being fast. Napkin2Shelf is not for shortcut seekers, idea collectors, people who just want encouragement. Napkin2Shelf assumes real money and real risk and real consequences. The program exists to help you make the right decisions in the right order so that if you commit capital, you do it deliberately and not by accident. So I'm glad you're here. I'll see you inside.